Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
TTC आमचे आता we are going for electric buses. Like yesterday CM has launched the 30 vehicles flag offing आमचे काल जाल्ले आसा. So another from the next month we are going to start the operations as per the directives of general manager and head office. So accordingly basically there is a work going at Margaon depot since the main station will be at Margaon. So mostly Margaon depotच्यान सगळे आमचे operations जातली. Even charging station they have made the arrangements of 25 charging points over here, and the same work is in progress, so which will be completed very soon. So accordingly those vehicles will be most of the vehicles will be charged at Margaon. So accordingly operation will be also from the most of the operation will be from Margaon, like Margaon Panjim and then Margaon Karwar, like, and some schedules are there attached for other depots also, like Margaon, this Panjim Saundwadi. So like this the KDC has planned for this 50 buses. Charging खातीर कशें schedule plan केल्लें आसा आमची. Some vehicles are at a station will be at night out for at Margaon, which will be charged at the late night. During the night session, those vehicles will be fully charged and will be made operational for the next day. Another thing is that some vehicles has been route scheduled in the local areas like Netulle that side and Karwar. So those vehicles will be charged on an instant charges basis, like some gap will be there for 2 hours or 3 hours in between. So like this those vehicles will be charged during that period, and 4 hours the bus will be charged. So that depend upon the route feasibility.